We're back.
We're back for more deliciousness and easy stuff.
We're making one of my favorite things.
Which one is it?
This is black bean hummus.
Oh, hummus.
It is making right here. Is that what we're making today?
We're gonna make hummus.
Am I on the wrong
We're gonna
show?
make black bean hummus. No, you're in the right show. I'm
Okay.
gonna teach you how to make black beans hummus.
Black bean hummus.
Okay, this is very easy, ladies and gentlemen.
To start by growing the beans. No, we're actually going to use canned beans.
I didn't know I was in that kind of show.
Oh.
I actually use organic canned beans because they are an excellent price. Now, I'm gonna drain them because I might want to save. I don't want to do my hummus with all the water that they come packed with.
Makes sense.
Now, can you cook your own black beans?
Sure.
I find that this is easy too. Some people, oh, you gotta cook your own black beans. No problem, you'll cook them. So this simple is so easy. This recipe, I take 3 black bean containers. Each container is 15 ounces. Whole drain weight is gonna be different. Drain them. There's gonna be a lot of liquid down there. So it's ready. It's set. As simple as adding all your beans in there. I should have done it the other way so the camera can see it.
It's okay. They know what beans look like.
Beans look like that.
Okay.
So we're gonna add salt.
Salt. How many pinches of salt, Chef?
3 pinches of salt to start.
1, 2, 3.
Gonna add
Und Pfeffer.
1 pinch of parsley. We're gonna add
One pinch of parsley.
Pepper. You're going to add about 1/4 cup of cilantro.
What's our binding agent for this?
The beans.
The beans.
The beans actually, the beans are cooked. The starches are gelatinized, what we call. And stick your finger in there one more time while I have the knife in there. Let's see what happens. There you go. Stick your finger again in there while I have the knife playing around here.
It's a bad idea. How many garlics are we putting in? Garlics. See, it's plural. Garlics.
I think a couple of shows ago I scare you with the garlic alioli.
Yeah, you
So
did.
I'm just gonna use 1.
Oh, you didn't scare me now. Do you put this little piece? I like to cut this piece off. There. Better.
Okay. That's it.
That's it.
This is it. This is it.
Man.
That's the only thing we're gonna use here. I like to add just a little bit of olive oil.
A little bit. How much?
We're gonna do about 1/4 cup.
1/4 cup of olive oil.
That's it. Put the lid on. The other way. Hold up. Here. Stop it. Lock.
Now he's got
Okay.
it.
Now you're gonna pulse it like 5 times first.
Which one's the pulse button?
The black one.
Because these are icons I don't even know.
How
does that? Is that the international sign for pulse or something?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Every chef will go like, of course it is.
Pulse.
Pulse about 5 times. That guy is a music major.
Okay.
That was 4. You need 5.
That was fun. You happy now?
Okay, now the press number 1. So the reason you pulse it is I don't want all the ingredients to jump out at the same time.
Yeah.
Because they're not processed already. So you pulse it about 5 times. They start processing, and now press the green one and let it run.
So how long do you let this run?
Until you want. Now you're gonna see that it's gonna start forming a creamy paste. I want it really, really, really thin. So let it roll.
Okay.
And then you're gonna judge how much more creamier you want it and how much process you want it. So we can decide creaminess either by adding olive oil,
right,
or by adding the water of the. Yeah, stop it.
Okay.
Okay, here. I want you to take the lid off.
Yep.
And can you get it closer? There you go. So you can see inside. So I want to scrape down the sides and make sure I'm getting all that stuff down there. And scrape down the sides. And I think I don't think it needs any more liquid here.
No. I think it's actually very good, Chef.
I think I wouldn't add, and you can take the consistency
It's like the consistency of a light peanut butter.
A light peanut butter.
Yeah, it's
I
really, really
think
good.
we're gonna be okay. I want you to
can dip
process
something
it.
in it. That's you know, you
Now,
want,
did you
I
taste
want to
it?
judge consistency. I can dip something in it.
Start with this.
I did. I tasted it.
Okay, so how you think about salt?
Could probably use a little bit more salt.
Yeah,
Am I
definitely
right?
needs more salt.
How many more? How many more salts?
3 more pinches.
3 grains.
3 more pinches.
Ice of 3 pinches of salt. Good.
And roll it.
All right, let me figure out this.
There, there. And the green one. Now, I know olive oil carries a lot of flavor.
It does.
I'm gonna add neutral oil. This is sunflower seed oil.
Okay.
And I'm just gonna drizzle about 2 tablespoons in it.
Okay.
When you add the oil, it makes him fluffier. It catches a little bit more air, and it becomes more airy.
Gotcha.
And then you decide how much you want to let it go. I think we are good there. So stop it. We're gonna taste for salt again. We're gonna make sure it has a decent amount of salt.
Much better.
Much better, or
Much
does it
better.
need more?
I don't know. You try it. I think if I use another pinch or 2, but that's just me.
2 more.
2 more pinches. That's what I thought.
And this is your basic recipe for hummus.
It's basically
for
a tablespoon and a half of salt. Sorry.
Yes, this is black bean hummus. It is the same process as doing regular hummus, which I'll show you one day too.
Which is interesting because, you know, every time I've seen a hummus recipe, it usually calls for something like a tahini or a bonding agent.
Well, that is the original recipes.
Right.
Chickpeas, tahini. It depends where you go in Lebanon or Palestine. They use paprika. They don't use paprika.
Right.
So wherever you go in the Mediterranean, they do it differently.
Right.
In Greece, they do it differently. In Greece, it's garlic, chickpeas, and olive oil. Some parts will add tahini, some parts will not add tahini, but the base is chickpeas. I like black beans. I love black beans, and I want to show you how easy it is. No, we don't need to have tahini.
Huh?
We don't need to have tahini.
Okay, yeah.
That's
well,
it?
I just think it's funny.
Okay, towards the front.
Towards that way?
Yeah. That's it. Up. You got it.
Looks like I'm making a bundt cake.
And actually, a challenge for you, my son.
Oh, I don't know if I'll
Do it
challenge
this way so she can get you in the camera right there.
Without getting it everywhere.
And how can we serve this with?
With tortilla chips.
With tortilla chips.
Or
with
crackers.
With tortilla chips, crackers, hard-boiled eggs, and celery.
Hard-boiled.
You never had it with hard-boiled eggs?
What planet are you from, sir?
I am from many different ones.
I'm from planet Italy.
Would you like the Cliff Notes, or would you like the... I've
heard.
Hey, remember the movie Men in Black?
Yeah, that was him.
I am in the, what is it? In the Alien Protection Program. I know Will Smith.
First?
Yeah, he get me into the Alien Protection Program.
Hey, there's only one blade in here. That's pretty cool.
No, there's 2 plates.
Oh, is there 2?
The other one is hiding underneath the creaminess and deliciousness.
Oh, I see
But that's it. You got it.
Just a little more. Just
Now,
like that.
the only way you can finish this one even better than this, what is it?
Cilantro.
Of course. And
You gotta add the cilantro.
we love cilantro here. And, I mean, right now you can add a little bit more cilantro on top of it.
Sure.
You can add oil or just leave it as is. But what about if you want it spicy?
Oh, you could add some cayenne pepper.
You can add some cayenne pepper. You can add some sriracha right on top of it.
Oh, serrano peppers?
Serrano peppers. You can put it right in the midst with the, boom. But that's it.
That looks fantastic.
That looks fantastic.
So there you go, black bean hummus.
And you can enjoy with your crackers and your carrots. And
Whatever you want.
And people, that's it. Simple. Boom. We're done.
That's awesome. Well, thanks for watching.
Put the comment. Let me know you like it, you didn't like it. Suggestions, comments. Put it down there. Send us an email. We'll respond.
Absolutely.
Thank you for watching.
Take care.
Bye.